Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to teach you slang words in Russian language, part 3. We're gonna start with париться. Париться means to take a steam bath. And you can say мне нравится париться, мне нравится париться. But we usually use it in a slang way. It means to worry about something. Париться, париться. How would you use it? Let me tell you right now. We usually say something like that. Не парься. Не парься means don't worry. Guys, so let's repeat together one more time. Не парься. Don't worry. Guys, прикинь. Прикинь, the literal translation is to estimate roughly or to try something out. We usually use it when we want to say guess what. For example, прикинь, он мне подарил попугая. Guess what? He bought me a parrot. Let's repeat together. Прикинь, прикинь. Guess what? Прикинь. Guys, the next one, шопиться. Шопиться means to go shopping. So you can say мне нравится шопиться. I like going shopping. Or you can say another one. Пошли шопиться. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. You and me. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. You and me. So the next word is чувак. Чувак means a dude. Чувак. Кто это? Who is it? Это чувак. Это чувак. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias. Тихо means silent. Listen to this gorgeous nature. Right now you can hear singing of birds. So yeah, тихо, silent. But we usually say be careful. Тихо. Let's repeat together. Тихо. This one is прикольно. Прикольно means awesome, cool. When you like something, you can say прикольно. Just right now, you can look at these gorgeous animals and you can say прикольно, right? Look at them. I really love flamingos. So let's repeat together. Прикольно. Guys, let's say you bought a car for your girlfriend. You bought an apartment for your girlfriend, and I can say красавчик. Красавчик means attaboy, like well done, you did it. Or we can say красава. Another way to say that. So you can say either красавчик or красава, and you can say about yourself, yeah, красавчик. Красавчик also means handsome, literal translation. But we usually use it for saying like well done. Красава, красавчик. Красава, красавчик. The next one is зацени. Зацени means check it out. Right now, take a look, we have a huge collection of different beautiful paintings. So we can say зацени, check it out. Зацени. Let me show you my favorite one. Okay, let me see. I would say I like this one. Pretty nice. Зацени. Oh, this one is gorgeous as well. Don't forget to say зацени. Check it out. Guys, что это? Это барабан. Это барабан. And we are moving to the next slang word. Мне по барабану. Guys, the literal translation is something is on the drum for me. But we usually use it when you want to say I don't care. So you can say мне по барабану. Let's repeat with me. Follow me. Мне по барабану. Мне по барабану. I don't care. Let's practice. Как тебе? And you can say мне по барабану. Мне по барабану. Guys, let's move to the next one. Take a look. Do you like to play this game? Air hockey. I love playing it. And we're moving to the next slang word. Без тормозов. Без тормозов means without brakes. Без тормозов. We usually use it when you want to describe a person who is out of control, who doesn't know when to stop, and he's kind of like pushing his limits. So you can say он без тормозов. He is without limits. He doesn't know his limits. He's out of control. Он без тормозов. Or you can say она без тормозов. Она без тормозов. She doesn't know her limits. Kind of like pushing her limits. Guys, the next one is чайник. Чайник means a kettle, literal translation, but we usually use it as a slang word to say you are a dummy. Чайник, чайник. How to say you are a dummy, I'll let you know right now. Ты чайник. Ты чайник, you are a dummy. Ты чайник. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please drop a comment and let me know what was your favorite slang word, and let me know your favorite slang word in your language. Thank you and see you next time. Bye!
Y ese burro te agarra.